The blank page is smaller now. The hard part is still judgment. A product brief, a roadmap, a prototype, a launch plan. A team can make all of that faster than ever now. But faster artifacts do not automatically create better decisions. That is the new product tension. AI lowered the cost of output. It did not lower the cost of judgment. A team can generate 5 PRDs in an afternoon and still avoid the hard question: which problem deserves our attention? That is where product management has to get sharper. This is the rhythm of the course: signal, alignment, momentum. Speed has to teach us something. The work is building a learning system: signals, alignment, momentum. That is the operating rhythm underneath the course. Signals start where most teams feel the pressure: a vague request, a stakeholder with urgency, a blank page that looks productive once AI fills it. The first move is to slow the ambiguity down long enough to make it useful. That is what the audit tool is doing. It turns scattered context into structured input, so the next step is fast and responsible. Feedback by itself is raw material. Signal is design. The value evidence pipeline, module sync, and reusable templates are trying to answer the same question: what did we learn and who needs to see it before the next decision gets made? AI can classify, compare, retrieve, and summarize. The product team still owns the judgment. Momentum starts when the system remembers the work. Quality, behavior, cost, revenue, workflow, evaluation. Those cannot live in separate corners if the team is trying to learn. A dashboard matters when it changes the next move. The durable advantage is not the chatbot. A chatbot is easy to copy. The harder thing to copy is the system around it: the data, the workflow memory, the evals, the governance, the agent layer, and the product judgment that ties it together. That is where AmaduTown becomes more than a portfolio. It becomes a working environment. The book gives us the frame. AmaduTown gives us the working proof. The question now is where your team already has signal. The question is simple: where does your team already have signal that no system is learning from? Accelerated. Build faster without losing the plot. Vambasila, AmaduTown.